Augustine, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southeastern Nacogdoches County in eastern Texas, Angelina County in eastern Texas, Southwestern St. Augustine County in eastern Texas, until midnight Central Daylight Time. At 11:11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles southwest of Woden to 6 miles south of Huntington to 7 miles north of Chester, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lufkin, Huntington, Macon, Etoyo, Woden, Zavala, Broadus, Shawnee, Homer, and Dolan. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time for eastern Texas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until midnight Central Daylight Time Thursday for the following counties in Texas: Angelina, Nacogdoches, and St. Augustine.